Thinking about a home renovation? Great, but before you run to the hardware store and fall in love with a backsplash that costs more than your car, let's plan this the smart way. Today, I'm going to give you the same steps the professionals use, and trust me, if you follow them, you will save yourself time, money, and those mid-renovation plot twists that every homeowner dreads. Step 1, define your renovation goals. And yes, I'm just sick of looking at it is a valid feeling, but it is not a plan. What's the real problem? Not enough space, bad layout, a bathroom with design choices that raise more questions than answers? Now figure out your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. A huge island in the kitchen might be a must-have until the price comes in, and suddenly a medium-sized island sounds perfect. Step 2, scope and timeline. Fact, every project takes longer than people think. Even cosmetic upgrades can reveal hidden surprises. And by surprises, I mean, why is this pipe here, and who installed this, and were they okay? So get a real assessment early, and if you want everything done before the holidays, start way earlier than your brain thinks is reasonable. Step 3, budget. And not the optimistic hope budget, the real budget. Add labor, materials, permits, fees, and a 5 to 15% buffer for surprises. Because the only guarantee in remodeling is that something weird will happen. And here's a pro tip. You can absolutely mix splurges with savings. If you want premium appliances, fine. Pick a budget-friendly tile. It's all about balance. Step 4, research contractors. Read reviews, ask questions, check licenses, and make sure everything is in writing. A great contractor won't hesitate to explain things clearly, and if a quote comes in way cheaper than everybody else, they might be missing something, like half the project. Oh, and another pro tip, reviews matter, but look for patterns. Not that one guy that turned a leaky faucet into the end of the world. Step 5, prep your home. Store fragile items and plan ahead for noise, dust, and a little temporary chaos. Oh, and if you have pets, let's just say that dogs are convinced that the contractor is there for them, so plan accordingly, right? So, if you're ready to bring your plan to life with confidence and fewer plot twists, Great Day Improvements is here to help you plan your next steps.